Hey, this is Billy with Trisports.com, and I'm going to show you how to change a flat at high speeds. So undo your brake and undo your skewer. Now if you've got the tabs on your fork, which you should, you got to take the skewer nearly all the way off. As you saw, I didn't do it all the way right there. Cost you a couple seconds. Whoops. Now go into your tool bag, pull out the necessities, tube, tire lever, CO2, and your second wind or your microflate. For a race, I like the microflate. It's really small. So anyway, you take the lever, get it underneath the bead, and it should pretty much slide right around. Now also, you'll see here, I went right to the stem, the valve stem, go to the opposite side of the rim, then you can get a hold of the tube. Comes right out, just like that. Now take your hand, give your tire a quick swipe, see if there's anything sharp still in there. Now be aware because you might cut your hand, but in a race, you just go for it. Find the problem, fix it. And put a little bit of air in the tube. That'll keep shape and help avoid any twisting and help avoid the tire getting out of shape, or the tube getting out of shape. Then you lay it in the tire. Again, making sure that you don't twist it. Now you start to reseat the tire. You see, you can kind of tuck the tube in with your right hand, and then you can get the tire back on with the left. Seaton, the master, showed me this technique. It's really quick and it's effective in terms of not pinching your tube. Now here's another important Seaton lesson. Once you get it on and you got that tire to where it's really stretched, now is when you can pinch your tube. So take your lever, back it out 6 to 8 inches, and that section is already going to be tucked away. So now you can just wrench it on. Give it a look over, make sure that tube's not pinched. Screw your CO2 in. In this case, I've got the second wind pump. Always good, just in case you run out of CO2s and you end up on the side of the road pumping. And then I also do this thing with my thumb here, where I feel the air going into the tire. Just gives me an idea where the pressure's at, and I can fill it up slowly and accurately. There you go. Make sure the skewer's on the left. Don't want to look foolish out there. Skewer on, brake on. Time. So that like